Meet MAGEASY, the world's first everyday essentials carrying and organizing kit. With the board, the folio, and the magnetic modules, MAGEASY helps you easily organize, rearrange, and transport most used items. The board, it's a desktop organizer. You can put note, scissors, earphones, keys, pencil, even a phone into a vertical display. Keep your desktop neat and organized, and still have quick access to your stuff. The board can be folded up like a paper and easily stored in any drawer. The folio, it's a transportation organizer to simplify your daily out-the-door routine. Store all your everyday necessities, drafts, passport, wallet, Metro card on the go. And you can slip it into the bag for an orderly and safe transition. The best part? All the magnetic modules can be used separately. As a cable tie, a business card case, a fridge magnet, and more. MAGEASY helps you stay organized, productive, and achieve more in life. Back us now.